As you can see here. Subukan natin side by side yung Nitecore MT2A Pro at saka itong Clarus P2. Let's go. Clarus P2, then MT2A Pro. Halos parehas lang pero mas wide yung beam ni Nitecore pero mas focus naman yung beam ni Clarus. As you can see here. Yan. Mas malaki yung spot ni Nitecore. Mas focus naman yung spot ni P2 Clarus. Yan. Subukan natin ulit. Halos magkaparehas lang sila ng beam. It's really hard to tell. Pero very slight differences. So ito na yung Nitecore MT2A Pro at saka yung Clarus P2. Let me know your thoughts.